thought I felt something, so I was just gonna hit record. I am just waking up. And had a fairly sizable allergy attack last night. So it makes sense that I'm more like this than usual. But mainly because I haven't recorded in forever, and I apologize for that. I wanted to get something. Okay, I thought. So yeah, I'm gonna have to start getting ready for work in a few minutes, but thought I would just record the morning, like, tickly foolishness that I have to deal with every morning. And they're super, super stubborn, which I hate. Sorry for the silence there. I was trying to focus. But I guess while I'm waiting on that, I'll give like a little bit of a life update. So the main reason why... Oh, hold on. Oh, no, okay. Yes. No. Oh, fuck. The main reason why I haven't been recording is because I've been on the phone with my girlfriend lately, which is a development that I'm just absolutely over the moon elated about. And so lately they've all been live performances, but I haven't been recording any because I've been on the phone with her, and so she's been stealing them all. So she does have the fetish, and that's how we met. They've been getting hardcore stuck lately, which is annoying. already there's been like a lot of tree pollen where I live. Um, and we're gonna be entering the like spring allergy season soon, and I am not ready. But I did have the idea of this year when when all of the cars are like literally covered in pollen, which happens every year. Um, I'm gonna like it's gonna be it's gonna be one of the dumbest things I ever do, but when the cars become covered, my plan is to do like a finger swipe on a car and like see what happens if I try to induce with it. Yeah. Like I already regret it in advance. I'm sorry I'm not getting much. You guys, this is annoying. This is how it's been lately. Super, super frustrating and annoying. Ugh. Damn it. Alright. Sorry about that, you guys. That was weak. But at least there's a little life update.